Let's talk about driving in the rain. It's really hard to see right now because your vision is limited at night because of the rain doesn't really help you. The speed limit here is 50 miles an hour, but we're about at 40 to 45 miles an hour. You can see traffic moving slow. So it doesn't make sense to try to tailgate other people. You just want to take your time. People do one of two things. Either they're driving really fast and reckless in the rain, or they're driving really slow. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I don't know if you can see it, but the truck behind me is really going fast. So I'm just cruising about 44, 45 miles an hour, taking my time, being patient, looking ahead, scanning, and I just want to be safe as possible and do a good job. So when you do a good job, good things happen. I want to look around, be safe, scan, and look for space, right? You don't want to be tailgating other cars. That bus will stop randomly at different spots, so stay away from big buses. You want to stay in an open lane as much as possible. We are in an open lane, and you don't want to hang around buses either. You can see me kind of looking around, checking my mirrors, and every time you turn your head, you want to look for open spots, right? My wipers aren't the greatest. They do need to be replaced. They always don't work when you really need them, right? But in this case, I use them when I need to. You know, night drives also like this are pretty peaceful and chilled. It's not a lot going on. It's real easy to fall asleep, so I do have the truck with the AC on, so it's cold. And then I'm just using the wipers when I need to. I don't have the heat on because, you know, you'll definitely fall asleep. It's 10 o'clock now. You know, there's a bingo hall over there, so people try to play bingo and get money, and they'll just pull out in front of you. I guess if I won money, I might pull out in front of people too, but you don't want to do that. Intersections coming up, you got to look ahead and see. Is the do not walk sign flashing? Is this the stale green light? You know, what is going on through the intersection? So I'm scanning. You can see me kind of looking to the clear spots in the glass. I'm looking left, middle, right, and you have to be safe. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. There's more great content coming. Thank you.